Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how international students can open a Lloyds bank account step by step in a beginner-friendly way. First, let's understand the requirement. Lloyds Bank is one of the major banks in the UK, and it allows international students to open a student account if they are studying in the United Kingdom with a valid visa and university offer letter. Now, step 1 is to make sure you are eligible. You must have a UK student visa, proof of address in the UK, such as university accommodation, and your passport. You also need a confirmation of study or CAS letter from your university. Next, go to the official Lloyds Bank website or download their mobile banking app. On the home page, look for the option to open a student account. Click on it to begin the application process. Now, you will be asked to fill in your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, nationality, contact information, and UK address. Make sure every detail matches your official documents to avoid delays. After that, you will be asked about your university. Enter the university name, course details, and duration of your study program. This helps the bank verify your student status. Next step is identity verification. You will usually need to upload your passport and visa details. In some cases, Lloyds may ask you to visit a branch for in-person verification, especially if you are new to the UK. Once your identity is verified, you may be required to book an appointment at a local branch. During this appointment, a bank representative will review your documents and complete the final setup of your account. After approval, your account will be activated. You will receive your debit card at your UK address within a few days. Then you can set up online banking and mobile banking access. From there, you can manage your money, receive student loans, and handle daily expenses easily through your Lloyds account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.